Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome you all in the Science C. Let's make it easy with Science C. Today in this video we will discuss about the experiment number 3 of Science 1 and what to write in the board practical exam. So experiment number 3 is the classification of chemical reaction as combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement. Meanwhile, you will first write the aim, but here while writing the aim you need to write the aim wisely. Okay, any one or two reactions will be in front of you. You have to identify which reaction you got. So as per the reaction or test which are in front of you, you will write the aim. Suppose any of the student got only two reactions like combination and decomposition, so that student will write the aim as to classify the given chemical reaction into the type combination, decomposition. The other student got the next two reaction like displacement and double displacement, so he or she will write to classify the given chemical reaction into the type displacement and double displacement. Do not overwrite the reactions which are in front of you. You have to consider only those reactions, and as per those reaction you will write your part A, B, C, D. Okay, if you have combination then you can add in your aim, that is action of water on quicklime. If you have decomposition, effect of heat on ferrous sulfate crystal. Displacement, then you will add in your aim as reaction of copper sulfate solution with iron nail. And if you have double displacement, then you can also add in your aim, that is reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution. Okay, aim is nothing but the title. In the board answer paper of practical exam, they are not showing the word aim, they are giving you the title. So in the place of title you have to write nothing but the aim. Next to them, requirement. As per your reactions, whichever the reactions and their apparatus or requirements are in front of you, only those requirements you have to write. I repeat once again, do not overwrite. If you have only beaker and china dish, you have to write only beaker and china dish. There is no need to write all the requirements which are mentioned in your chart. So writing the requirement is compulsory. Then writing the name of chemical as per your test. Suppose in front of you have only quicklime and water and ferrous sulfate crystal, iron nails. You will write only these three names. If you have the chemical, you have to write. If you don't have the chemical in front of your table, then do not write. Okay, so in the part A, that is nothing but the combination reaction, you already written the aim, requirement, chemical. No need to write procedure, no need to draw the diagram, but writing this observation table is compulsory. Then writing the chemical reaction is compulsory, inference is compulsory, no need to write the precautions. Okay, the examiner may ask you what kind of noise is produced in the reaction, so it is a kind of hissing sound. Then is the vapors are formed, so yes, the vapors are formed. Which state is changes, so solid state get converted into liquid state. Remember once again that all the questions are from your practical only, and mainly the questions are given in the observation table. So learn the observation table properly. Then what is the another name of calcium hydroxide? So it is slake lime. What kind of reaction? Combination reaction. Then another one is exothermic reaction is also formed. So remember each and every concept of your practical. Next to them in the part B, as aim, requirement and chemicals are already written, you will only give the heading as B, effect of heat on ferrous sulfate crystal. If you have this practical, then only you have to add. So writing the procedure is not compulsory. Do not write the procedure. Diagram is compulsory with labels. The examiner may ask you which crystals are used. So ferrous sulfate crystal, you have to use the test tube holder. Why we are using the test tube holder? Why we are using the hard glass test tube? Next to them, this observation table is compulsory to write. Chemical reaction, then what this sign indicates? This sign indicates that you are heating something. Okay. Next to them, inference is compulsory, and which kind of residue is remain in the test tube? So red color residue. Which kind of reaction? Decomposition reaction. Which color gas is evolved? So colorless gas. What is the original color of ferrous sulfate? So it is green in color. These every points you have to remember while writing, and when the examiner asks. Writing the precaution is not needed. Next to them, the part C. If you got the A and C, so you will only write about A and C. If you got B and C, then write about B and C. Then C and D is also may be available for any of the students, so they will only write about them. Okay, so for C part, reaction of copper sulfate solution on iron nail. Here there is no need to write the procedure. Diagram is compulsory with labels. Observation table is compulsory. Then chemical reaction is compulsory, and inference. The examiner may ask you which kind of reaction. So it is displacement reaction. Color of iron nail before experiment, so it is still gray. After experiment turns green. Okay, these every points you have to consider. There is no need to write the precaution. Next to them for part D, no need to write procedure. Drawing the diagram with label compulsory. Observation table is compulsory. Then chemical reaction, inference, no precaution. Okay, here examiner may ask you which two solutions you use. So here sodium sulfate solution and barium chloride solution. Next to them, what kind of precipitate is formed? So white precipitate is formed. Which reaction? Double displacement reaction. Do not confuse in each and every reaction. Just remember and be focused which reactions you got, and accordingly you have to write. Then only if you have any query, you can comment down in the comment section. Okay, follow for more, and best of luck. Thank you.